What's up, everybody?
Welcome to Recipe or Disaster. I'm Mark.
I'm Patricia.
And today we're going to be taking a look at Tasty's recipe, one pot chicken Alfredo. How this is going to work is we're going to make the recipe, show you all how to make it, and then we are going to give it a rating based on cost efficiency, taste, and ease of making the actual recipe itself. So let's get to it. For this recipe, we're going to need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, half pound of penne pasta. We're going to be using half of that box since it's 1 pound. We're using 14 ounces of this wonderful organic chicken broth. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream! Heavy whipping cream! 1.5 cups of grated Parmesan. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And some parsley for garnish. Make sure to wash those hands first. Then we're gonna cube our chicken into cubes. So it's cubular. Cubey. Cubes. Kitchen Lobster approves of cubes! Cut your finger off, we have this video for insurance purposes. While the chicken's being cubed, we're gonna go ahead and add our oil to our pot. Chicken is cubed. Make sure to wash those hands again. Now, oil is hot. Time to go in the pot. All right. Our chicken is looking nice and cooked. We're gonna go ahead and add our garlic and let that cook for about a minute. Next up, adding the broth. Get it all brothy. And our cream. And our pasta. Uncooked. We're going to bring that to a boil. Now that we got a boil going, we're going to go ahead and put the lid on this sucker. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to turn it down to like medium low there. So, all right, time to check this. Oh yes. Pasta's looking good. It's nice and cooked. All right, last step, turning off the heat. Adding Parmesan. But yes, again from that super quality cutlery. I'm not going to tell you the brand because it's a secret. Stirring this Parmesan here. Not quite as thick as it showed in the video, but still looking pretty good. So we've let the pasta sit for a little bit, and it is still quite runny. All the measurements were correct, so I'm not sure about this one, guys. We're gonna add some garnish here, make it look all pretty. All right, time to dig in. Let's try this. It's definitely missing something.
I would say it's missing a little salt.
Salt, definitely, and pepper.
Oh yeah.
Not the best I've had, not the worst.
Definitely be better if it was a little thicker.
Yeah.
You could taste the mixture a little bit more.
Definitely thinner than Alfredo, pasta Alfredo should be. And I checked and double checked the calculations on the ingredients that went into this. And it is definitely a thin sauce recipe. So if you like that, then you might like it.
As you can see, I am putting salt and pepper on it.
I was surprised they didn't ask you to put salt or pepper in this recipe.
Or any other seasoning.
Right. So, on a scale from 1 to 5, 1 being and 5 being restaurant quality, I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a 2 as far as flavor.
As far as flavor, I'm probably gonna give it a 1.
As far as recipe simplicity, I'm gonna give this a 1 because it was super easy to make. There's no doubt about that. If you can cut chicken and boil stuff, you can make this.
This is true.
As far as cost effectiveness goes, keep that in that pepper.
Right.
It wasn't too expensive. We spent maybe about $15 on everything, so really it wasn't that bad. And this feeds 4, so. Alright guys, well that pretty much wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like this if this video was helpful to you, and subscribe down below. Hit that bell icon so you make sure you get all of our videos, because we will be putting them out. Alright, take care everybody.
Kitchen Lobster is not impressed.